Good morning, boys. My name is N. Nagendra Prasad, Digit English from TTWURJC Boys Tirumalayapalam English Medium School. Day 5 Spoken English. In our previous class, we have learnt the structures and uses of primary auxiliary verbs. Children, do you remember what are the primary auxiliary verbs? Be forms, do forms, have forms. Be forms. Let us recap. Is, am, are, was, were. Do forms. Do, does, did. Have forms. Have, has, had. Today, let's learn how do we use do forms in our day-to-day life situation and spoken English. Let me explain. Look, daily or habitual actions. In this category, how can we use these? Just a minute. Ball pen, highlight. Okay. Okay. Look. Formulas. Formulae. What is this? The singular form of formula is a singular form. Its plural is formulae. In general, in our day-to-day life situations, we usually pronounce it as formulas. The actual spelling is formulae, plural form, like radii. I give two formulas here. If you find V1, you can understand it consists of do plus V1. If you find V1 S oblique ES in the given sentence, we need to understand it consists of does plus V1. If we find do in the place of V1, we need to understand it consists of do plus do again. If it is does, then it means does plus do. While changing a sentence from statement sentence, I mean answer sentence, to negative or question, the above formulas should be used. If you want to change a sentence from statement to into negative or question, the above formulas are very useful. Let me explain in detail. Look here. Statement into negative and question. Let's change some statements into negatives and questions. Already we discussed V1 is equal to what? Do plus V1. V1 S oblique ES means does plus V1. Let me give some examples. I get up early. It is statement of answer sentence. Look here, what is the verb here? Get is the verb, isn't it? Yeah. Get is the verb. V1. So it consists of do plus V1. So I change the sentence into negative. I do not get up early. I repeat, I do not get up early. Understand, boys? How get turn into do not get in negative. Then in question it turns do I get up early? Okay, right. Number 2, she gets up early. Look here, gets. Gets means just come back. V1 S oblique S. GT get. Get is added with S. Okay. So it turns into does not get. She does not get up early. Look here how V1 S oblique S is equal to does plus V1. So I write here does plus not plus get. In the question, does she get up early? Understand? Good. Let me give another example. Suppose do and does means if do itself V1, we have already discussed it in primary auxiliaries. All primary auxiliaries acts as main verb. Suppose it is V1, then how can we write? If do is V1, then we have to write do plus do. If does is V1, then we have to write does plus do. Okay? So let me give examples. I do exercise daily. Here do is the V1. Then I convert into do plus do. I do not do exercise daily. It is negative. For question, do I do exercise daily? This is question. How I use 2 times do here, how I use 2 times do. In these 2 sentences, the first 2 do's, here do, here do. These 2 are helping verbs, but these 2 are the main verbs. Okay? Come to next. He does exercise daily. Look here in this sentence, does is the main verb. So if does is main verb, what will happen? Does is main verb, come back, does plus do. In the negative, he does not do exercise daily. In question, does he do exercise daily? That is the question. Boys, do you understand? Okay, very good. Let me give a model conversation. It is an informal conversation between 2 friends, A and B. A says, hello, how are you? The reply of the B, fine, how do you do? A asked a question, do you get up early in the morning? Yeah, I do. This is a way of answer. Or in another way, I get up early in the morning. And you? He asked again a question. Then A says, I too. Do you do exercise daily? It's a question of A to B. B said, of course, I do. What about you? Then A says, but I don't. Yet to be started. A said, why don't you join with me? Sure, I join with you from tomorrow. Welcome. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Children, understand how the conversation I develop. My sincere advice to you, with the help of your brothers, sisters, friends, or in your village learning circle, do practice the conversation with your friends and develop